People say you have to have a lot of passion for what you're doing, and it's totally true. And the reason is because it's so hard that if you don't, any rational person would give up.
My name is Cole Fox, and I own Northern Colorado Auto Reconditioning. We use specialized tools. We gain backside access to the panel, and we gently massage the dent out where you can't even tell it was there. We want a flawless repair. We want the customer to be 100% satisfied. At the end of your PDR repair, you'll be amazed with the results.
So it's a lot of hard work, and it's a lot of worrying constantly. If you don't love it, you're going to fail.